think I joking, feel like come to play. Even though it's jail or cemetery, I ain't really gay. Ripperman Ralph, Ripperman Ralph. You and handicapped Julian, all you mash up the land. Ripperman Ralph, Ripperman Ralph. You and that thief man Julian, all you mash up the land.
Why? We love this youth here. Well, a big man. Zion I. You see this man here? Are the biggest man in St. Vincent and the bravest man, dog. The man attack pure truth, all truth in him music video. And the biggest thing is that everybody turn a deaf ears. Most of the people in St. Vincent turn a deaf ears to blow out. It's like some deaf ears crab. You understand? This man here are the real deal. With that said, me I go talk about the police commissioner and Ralph. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. Great. One more great. One more great. And one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And click on another video. Now country girl, you know talk to me. It's like the two of you carry our vibes with each other. But me still give you respect. Big up country girl. You understand? I don't know. Now, I want to talk about this police chief situation. Because it has been brought to my knowledge that the police chief wants to retire and put in his retirement. But Ralph told him that he cannot resign. You hear that? Ralph told the police chief that he cannot resign. What do you guys think about that? Me have my opinion, you know. I'm going to give my opinion. But what y'all think about that?
You Ripperman, you and criminal Julian, all you mash up the land.
The question is, why the police chief wants to resign? Well, a lot of people say the police chief, he knows that Ralph is involved with certain things. And I think after them 5 people I get fling away, the police chief got tired of being in a part of this and tired of Ralph not doing the right thing for the people. I would quit too if I am police chief in a country where the prime minister can make a phone call past me and get man out of jail, and pretty much Ralph is the chief of police. So I guess the police chief feels like a puppet. You understand? Because him knows to listen. All sort of things are going on, them money are mixed up in a certain things, and at the end of the day, it's like everything drop on his head. And he's probably thinking, listen, this is not fair. I don't want to be a part of this. Let some other people deal with it. Now this police chief, Colin, he's also a lawyer. You understand? And he's also the assistant director of public prosecution. Now, I don't know how can you be a police chief and also assistant district attorney of prosecution. To me, that look like there's definitely some kind of conflict right there. But I say that to say this man is educated, this man our family, this man knows what's going on in the country with the Beehive gang being supported by government. When the Beehive gang do anything, all of them come out of jail. But the other set of man them and other set of people keep on going to jail. Now, there's a particular case I want to talk about, but I'm gonna do that in our next video. That we want some justice for that young lady, and me gonna talk about it because, like I said, I have been doing my research, and St. Vincent, it make the ear at the back of my neck stand up when I see and hear what's going on in that country.
All you killing people, all you robbing bank, all you thief down NCB, and all you kill Cookshank. Indigenous farmers, you take them like us. Who exporting all of the weed now? Only Kelly gas. Reaper man Ralph, you and cigarette Julian, all you mash up the land. Reaper man Ralph, you and that chimney Julian, all you mash up the land.
You hear what Isaiah just said. You don't have to go far if you know what's going on. All of them killing people, them robbing banks, them screw up the farmer, and it's like them take them agriculture business and turn them in a ass. That's what's going on in St. Vincent. And like I said, the violence that's going on down there, it's more like a revolt and a revolution. People are speak out, like me say, it's one set of people them always are capitalize and I do other people things, and it's like a frustration build up. It even build up to the point where a man like Isaiah have to write a tune like that. And Isaiah, big up yourself, or Zion I, me I say it wrong. More you big up yourself, and me I go preview your entire video on the channel. Listen, I've never met this man. I don't know him from a can of paint. All I do, I like his song, I listen to his song, and it educate me about St. Vincent, and then me do my further research, and that's the only thing. So yo B, me no want wanna do Isaiah nothing, you know, cause Isaiah and me is not friend. We just like what the man I deal with, and me I promote it. We have to make that be clear. Now me I beg the policeman them. Me I beg the policeman them in a St. Vincent for allow the youth them. You understand? Stop listening to certain people. You understand? Stand for justice. Remember now, you have a young lady get killed. Like me said, me I go talk about her. Nobody get charged. Nobody going through the system when it comes to the Beehive and their kind of crime and stuff like that that they're involved in. Something is definitely wrong with that system. So me as countryman, me have to be the voice of the people them. Me not care enough, because people are afraid, but I am not. Listen, We only can live once. All the money you have, you can't bring it with you. You understand? So you have to stand for something, or you stand for nothing. Now, before me go, I want to say something to the opposition. You have to turn up on the game. Turn up on the game and get Ralph out of power and bring on the country back to how it was. You know, see, where Ralph do? The man I use 1970 and 1980 Jamaican politics for uno. You understand? And I that go on. So yo, opposition, step up your game, step up your game. And once again, me I tell the police, wanna stay out tight. If you not protect and serve, wanna protect and serve. Don't just protect Ralph and the beehive. And that's what countryman have to say about this. More videos coming up on the beehive, the situation at St. Vincent. You understand? Trinidad, Jamaica. Cause me have to talk about Jamaica. I pay a waste man there Jamaica, dog. The one them at Jamaica shell out. You understand? And we have to talk about all of them things there. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out. Stand up for the rights.